Let us study about LCM. What is LCM? It is the lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. How can we find out the LCM of a couple of numbers? Let us do this through an example. We are going to find out the LCM of 36, 48, 64, and 72. We can use a division method to find out the LCM of all these numbers. First, we are choosing the lowest number that are exactly divisible by all these numbers. So which you can choose a 2 in this case, because when we use a 2 as the divisor, it do not return a remainder after the division. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. Then 48 divided by 2, 24, 32, and 36. Now again, from these numbers, we can see that all these numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Then use a 2 again to divide these numbers. So 18 divided by 2, we get 9, 12, 16, and 18. From here we can find out that one of this number, that is 9, is not exactly divisible by 2, and other numbers are divisible by 2. So once again we can use a 2 as the divisor here, but when divided by 2 it returns a remainder. So we don't divide this 9 by 2. We just write down the 9 as it is. Then 12 divided by 2, we get 6. Here we get 8 and 9 again. And we can use 2 as the divisor because two numbers are divisible by 2. But 9 is not exactly divisible by 2. So as it is not exactly divisible, we write down this as it is. 6 divided by 2, it is 3. And this is 4. This is 9 again. Now, what we can choose? We can choose 3 as the divisor because when divided by 9, 3, this do not return any remainder. So we can use this 3. We get 3 as the quotient. 3 divided by 3, 1. 4. We cannot exactly divide this 4 by 3. So write down 4 as it is. It is 3. Now divide this by 3. We get 1. Here 1, 4, and 1. Then continue this division here until we get the quotient 1 in all the cases. So when divide all this by 4, we get 1, 1, 1, and 1 here. So we can multiply all these devices. What we get after multiplication of all these devices? That is 2 into 2 into 2 into, how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. fourth 2, 3 into 3 into 4. It is equal to 576. So we can say that LCM of all these numbers is equal to 576. So we got LCM is equal to 576. Now let us learn about a few important results of this LCM and HCF. I hope that you learned about HCF in the previous class. One important relation between this HCF and LCM is that the HCF of two numbers or HCF of a couple of numbers into LCM of numbers is equal to product of numbers. We can prove this through an example. Let us take a case. Find the HCF of 6 and 12. As we studied in the previous class, we can use a division method to find out the HCF of these two numbers. So 12 as the dividend and 6 as the divisor. 2, 12 is equal to 0. So HCF of the number is equal to 6 in this case. Now, what is the LCM of these two numbers? LCM of 6 and 12. Let us use a division method to find out that. 6 and 12. 2, we get 3 here. 6, again 3, 1, 2. Can use 2. It is 1 and 1. So here the LCM will be equal to 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 12. So LCM of these two numbers is equal to 12 and HCF of these two numbers is equal to 6. We got this result. So now let us take this important result and verify that. So we got HCF is equal to 6 and LCM is equal to 12. So the HCF of the two numbers, that is 6 into LCM of two numbers, that is 12, is equal to product of the numbers, that is 72. So we proved that the HCF of numbers into LCM of the numbers is equal to product of numbers.